Hey guys, so I hope you're all bundled up and warm, and we're going to use snow for our art materials today. So we're going to use a cup and an oven tray, and we're going to go out and we're going to collect some snow, and then we're going to bring it inside and we're going to use it for our art materials. So let's go grab some snow and then bring it back in. Here I'm just kind of taking some snow off my car. I'm being very gentle because I don't want to scratch my car, of course. But wherever you see powdery snow, we don't want to get any ice chunks. So look for some soft powdery snow. If you see some on the floor, if there's any fluffy grass nearby, we don't want any dirt or anything. So if you see any parts that are thicker, we can go over there. I see some over here. It's a thicker area, so I'm going to try and stay away from the grass, just to avoid getting any grass or leaves, and just stick to those fluffy white areas. So let's fill it up, and then let's bring it on inside. Now that I have my snow tray in here, I'm just going to work right inside the tray. I have some watercolor paints and some washable paints with me, and some small little cups. Mine are plastic, but if you have any jars, you're welcome to use that too, or if you have any toys, you're welcome to add these inside. We can add colors and make this a really fun sensory bin. Here I'm just dipping my paintbrush to add some water, but the snow will do that for you too. And I'm just using different colors that I like, and adding them to the snow. Add a little more water if it's not working. And I'm just kind of painting the snow and letting the colors kind of blend together and seeing what works, making little dots and little patterns. This is really about experimenting and enjoying the process. What an awesome opportunity to have snow and use it in our art. This is like a once in a lifetime opportunity to have snow here in Houston, and I am so excited, and I think we all are so excited to get to play in it. So let's just have some fun and see what we can create and make a little bit of a mess. So here you can see I added a lot more color. I actually went in and added more washable paint, not just the watercolor paints, and that's why the colors are a lot brighter. So that is also another choice that you can use. If it starts to get watery, you can kind of just dab it with a paper towel to absorb some of it. You can also start to make shapes or write your letters in it. Here I'm starting to draw a heart, so you can really become more playful and more interactive if you're doing this with family members, siblings, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, anyone. And you can really start to explore different names, different games, and make it very playful and fun, which is another cool way to kind of expand this project. Alright guys, I hope you're able to have some fun with the snow today and explore some new ways out there. Just a warning sign, the snow is super cold, so make sure you're careful with your hands. If you want, maybe wear gloves while doing this project, or you can always use spoons or paintbrushes or something. You can always, and when you're done, run your hand under some warm water to help. I'm from the north, so my hands are really used to it, but it's something I forgot about while doing this project. So make sure you use some gloves while doing this, and stay warm, stay safe, and I hope you guys had some fun today. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.